Okay, what does flashing green mean? There we go. Okay, let's get some lights on. That's interesting. It didn't turn anything on. Okay, first let's go look at the view. That's always my favorite part. So this is a lake view. I can be loud now because we're back by ourselves. This is a lake view studio. 7737, this is gonna be your view. So it's kind of nice because you've got the pool and you've got Bay Lake beyond that. Beautiful. And then let's go back in the room. I'm gonna turn some lights on. Hold on, I'm gonna turn lights on before I show you. Okay, now I can properly give you your room tour. So when you first walk in the room, there is your door. So if you were in a 1 bedroom or 2 bedroom, this would lead to the main living area and then the other bedroom if it was a 2 bedroom. And we will start here in the bathroom. So you have your sink, toilet, of course, a shelf above the toilet, your sink. Ooh, I like that tile. Those are really pretty. Just a regular bathtub with all of your products. I love that almost all the Disney hotel rooms have this little guy. You can pull him out and you can hook him to the other side, and then you can hang up your clothes. In Florida, things do not dry, so that is actually super helpful. Little sink. There's me. Hey guys. You've got space under here. And then you've got some little cubbies here to put makeup and so forth. Very pretty little lights. And then you come around this way, and this is your little kitchenette area, which this is very different than the other DVC studios. So you've got storage up here. You've got coffee pot. Oh, I wish I'd brought the coffee. Oh well, that's okay. You've got that. Hopefully, did they give me coffee for one night? Oh, there's my coffee. So I'll run 2 of those tomorrow. Coffee, and as is typical in a studio, you've got plasticware, but no actual utensils. But I am glad they include a wine opener and a can opener. That's nice. You've got a microwave, a toaster, and a refrigerator. Refrigerator is decent size, and you do have a freezer, which a lot of people, I know some of the refurbishments, they're not putting in a freezer. And then this little beauty is a pull-out, so that if you were here for a long time and you had, hello again, you had a lot of groceries, this is where you could put your groceries. That is really nice. Keeps this area really nice and tidy. Then you've got more storage here, a little space, extra mirror. If you had my whole family were here, this is probably where I would do my hair and makeup. More shelves down there, which is very nice. A little decorative detail on the wall. I'll show you that. That's kind of fun. 1, 2, 3. And then this is your closet. Pretty decent size. You've got extra bedding up there for the pull-out couch I'm going to show you in a minute. You have a full-size safe, so that will fit a laptop. Your pack and play, your vacuum cleaner, your ironing board and iron, and of course, your hangers. Then over here, we've got our queen size bed. There is that awesome Art of Mickey. I have that somewhere. They sent it to me. I have it in a print. I need to go find that. And there's a nice little pillow, little coverlet. Tiny little end table over here, but it does have a hole in it, so you can put your cord down to charge your phone. That's kind of a nice detail. 2 bedside lamps that are individually controlled, which is nice. Then you have over here your pull-out bed and an ottoman, phone, little artwork, little Mickey. Let me see if I can get that. Very space-oriented. And there's your balcony. Come over here, you have a little table and a mirror above with a lamp. And then we've got our TV. I'm not sure what's in here. It looks like you've got some storage in here. Oh yeah, some more shelves. I really like how many shelves are in here. That is super nice, so you can get all of your sunscreen and stuff up off the It's neat. And then you've got 1, 2, 4 drawers. And then a little space here. So really plenty of space to do everything you would want to do. Oh, here's a little letter from the general manager, Mim Flynn, saying welcome, which is very nice. Actually, it's the WDWGM Contemporary. Very nice. Thank you, Mim. And that's it. So, very, very nice room. Here is my first impression. Never stayed at Bay Lake Tower before. It's lovely. It's small compared to the studios that we've stayed in at, well, certainly Old Key West. Their studios are massive. But even compared to Boardwalk, this feels small to me. But I do like that kitchenette area rather than it being just in the hallway like they usually are. So this is a nice choice. I could definitely not see 5 of us staying in this room, but I for sure could see maybe Scott and I and one of the kids, and certainly Scott and I could be very comfortable here. 2, my boys might be able, that seems a little bit small, but overall, really beautiful room. I'm only here one night, so I'm gonna try to soak up all I can. I'm gonna take some footage of the, just the space, BLT, all of it, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. I might swim, that'd be fun. Bye!